Welcome to Beerstories. I'm going to clean my bottles today, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I've used a lot of different methods, and I think this one is the easiest, the fastest anyway. What I need for this process is, of course, my bottles, this tower for drying up the bottles afterwards, this pressure cleaner, and of course some kind of cleaner as well. This cleaner is a dual cleaner. It both sterilizes and cleans. This is actually going in the dishwasher with the bottles after I remove the old labels. I put my labels on with milk, so it's really easy to pull off. I just soak this in water for a couple of minutes, and then I can peel off the label. Yeah, so dishwasher first. When that's done, I will make sure everything is sterilized with this pressure sterilizer here, pressure washer with star sand in it, and then let it dry on this, and then I'm ready to go. But yeah, take a look at my method. I've already prepared some bottles up in the kitchen. As you can see here, the bottles are upside down, so the water will run out again, and I can fit about 30 bottles in here. The cleaner, I'll just put it in just as I would any other dishwashing program. 1 hour program. Yeah, and then just push start, and that's it. So here are my clean bottles. I got star sand in the pressure sterilizer here. Give it a good squeeze. If you want to rinse it, you can, but it shouldn't actually be necessary. But there's a new law in Europe that says you have to rinse everything. So Star Sand actually changed their declaration and said that you have to rinse afterwards. But that's up to you. I rinse mine like this, water, and dry. Yeah, now they're clean, disinfected, and ready to use. I always use them right away, just to make sure I don't have to disinfect them again. But if you wait, you can disinfect them and then use them. But yeah, use them right away, that's easier. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments or write to me on any other way you like. Other than that, then just happy brewing out there.